So here we are in the queue for Bob, the Intamin Swiss Bob, 1985. That is actually due to close in just a couple of weeks' time, and we've just managed to catch the last couple of weeks before it finally closes for good and is replaced by a couple of Mack-powered coasters. I do hope that you enjoyed our video today. If you did, please do hit that subscribe button. And if you really want to find out when a video goes up, then hit the bell as well. For other stuff that we're up to, have a look on our social media pages and you can find the links to those down in the description. Again, thanks for watching and we'll speak to you next time. Bye bye.